So the inflationary multiverse, or this is the it refers to the differential equations we are going to use here. So this is not the science fiction's multiverse. It is a serious hypothesis derived from combining two of the most successful theories in physics: general relativity, gravity on a massive scale, and quantum field theory, the behavior of any particles. So the main idea here is that our universe was not just a single Big Bang. Instead, because of the specific math involved, the inflation, the rapid expansion of the universe might never stop everywhere. In some places, it continues forever, creating an infinite number of separate bubble universes. So the mathematics of quantum fluctuation. So the large mathematical equation here describe what is happening on microscopic level. So what it means, it describes quantum fluctuation in the inflation field, the theoretical energy field that causes the universe to expand. So in simple terms, even in a completely empty space, quantum mechanics is tiny, random shift in energy are constantly happening. You can't turn them off. So this equation calculates the precise mathematical tip of those wiggles process space and time. So stretching tiny wiggles into a huge universe. So the key concept, during inflation, the universe expanded unbelievably fast. The result, these microscopic quantum bombs from the equation above got stretched out to enormous sizes by the expanding space. So as the universe inflated, this tiny fluctuation became the seed structures for galaxies, stars, and planets. So creating a bubble universes, the eternal inflation part. So here is what it gets really trippy. That the if inflation is eternal, then the rate of expansion outpaces the rate of bubble formations. So what this means? Imagine dropping a stone into a pan. The ripple or the bubble expands outward, but imagine the pan itself is expanding faster than the ripple can grow. So in cosmology, that means that in some regions, inflation stops creating a bubble of normal universe. But because the space between these bubbles is still inflating rapidly, new bubbles are constantly forming inside the expanding universe. Because this goes on forever in an infinite expanse, you get an infinite number of bubble universe. Importantly, the math suggests that each bubble might have a different physical constant, different laws of physics, different masses for particles than our own. So the quantum cosmology here. So the the Wheeler DeWitt equation, this is a fundamental equation in theoretical physics that attempts to combine the principles of quantum mechanics and general relativity. So often called the wave function of the universe, it served as the cornerstone of quantum cosmology. So in simple terms, while the Schrodinger equation dictates how a single quantum particle evolves in a fixed space, the Wheeler DeWitt equation dictates how space itself behaves at the quantum level. So the math of this is governed by the tunneling wave function in quantum cosmology, where the universe is represented as the wave function of the entire cosmos. the weird to with equations. So we have the random jitters here is stretched by massive expansions, create pockets of space that stop inflating our universe. But the surrounding space keeps expanding, creating infinite distinct bubble universe forever.